Okay, and we're live. Okay, so today I'm streaming a little bit earlier than normal because I am off. Again, we'll be doing rain sounds, and we're continuing on with the next task. I think in the Twitch title, we're going to be doing the icon. It's going to require us to do a little bit of mucking around with GIMP. That's all I know. I guess we can use Paint. Paint's a little bit inferior, but mostly I'm not good at it. But yeah, anyway, so what we're doing, I don't know if you can't see in your IDE, every little tool window thing has a little icon on the side. So we're gonna add an icon ourselves for Twitch, for the Twitch plugin that we're doing. And I don't know where this stands in the legalities of things, but we're gonna find out. I mean, the worst that can happen is that we get a cease and desist. No, that's not the worst, but that's probably what's gonna happen. But we'll find out. We're gonna just make sure we follow the branding rules. We're not gonna say anything that we don't want to say. We don't want to say it's ours, but that's what we're gonna do. And for that, we're gonna need to get some resources from the internet. I don't remember where it was last time, so let's go search for it again. Twitch branding. And they have rules on how to use them, and I kind of glanced over these. So I'm not making money, does not present something. No, this is not harmful. This might be a problem. Do not use the Twitch. Do not use Twitch in the name of your application, products, domains. But I'm describing what it is. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out soon. Let's just go. I mean, let's follow these rules and we're gonna need the two icons. One for dark IDE and one for light IDE. So let's take these two bad boys. It's just a link. Let's save it. Save as. Save link as. And then let's do it. Wait, why isn't it going there? Twitch chat, I think. Yeah. Just dump it in here for now. I think it's called a glitch icon, so let's say glitch icon. I don't like the way this thing is done. Glitch purple. Glitch white. All right. So we got our two icons. Let's put them. Let's see. We probably want to make another folder called icons or something like that now. Assets. There we go. Assets. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make sure I keep the originals around. I don't know if it gets nasty because I'm probably gonna push them into my repo. I don't know if I just don't want to get sued. I'm gonna put in my readme somewhere in here. Like, this is not, I don't represent Twitch in any way. Nothing to do. But you know what? We'll worry about that later. This may even suck. Nobody will notice about it. Nobody will even notice it. Okay, so this is the two icons that we're gonna use. And for that, we need to read the section on adding icons, because I don't know how to do that yet. I mean, I already did it once before, so it's not gonna be a lot of reading. I'm just gonna do it. Um, mm, huh. Guess I'll search work with icons and images. There we go. Is that big enough? Just to put them in resources icons, but once I end up with the because I'm gonna need to resize these are way big, so once I get those, or maybe this thing does it for me. Structure tool window, get icon. I think this is a little bit different than what I read last time. I could be wrong, but we are going to, yeah, so they need to be, all icons should have an icon size of 13 by 13, and all actions should have an icon size of 16 by 16. So we are doing 13 by 13, and we need 26 by 26 for retina, and underscore dark. Okay, but do I still need this thing here? This where does this interface go to? Like, I don't know where it needs to go. I remember doing it without having to do any code, and I just typed it in here, but this thing is, you know, let's do it this way for now. So let's go and let's just add source main resources in here, and then we'll create a icons folder. Icons. All right, let's take these bad boys. We're gonna just copy them. We're not gonna actually take them because we're gonna rename them. So this is gonna be glitch icon purple. Is purple light or is purple dark? Purple is dark, right? Yeah, because we want it to be using in a dark theme. So purple glitch icon dark. Okay, and let's just say glitch icon here. No, wait. The thing is, I did it the other way around. We want the purple to be on normal, and then we want the, yeah, because you can't see the purple on the dark theme, and you want the white to be on the dark. If that makes any sense. It'll make sense once I actually do it. Dark. All right. Let's write the thing that this thing wanted. Do we just throw this class anywhere? Does it matter where it goes? Seeing it says demo plugin icons, so I'm just gonna say plugin. I'm a little bit confused because I don't think I did this like this last time, but I should just not forget about what I did last time here because this is the new documentation. So just add the class, the package here. Oops. Icons. No. We should move this. We should add another folder called here. Club. I'm just trying to match the structure of the package and the package structure because I believe that the get icon path we'll look for it there. So we're just gonna add another one, another package called icons, and then that's where we'll add our class here. Shoot, come on, and then we call it what? Twitch chat icons, because why not? And let's add this. Oh yeah, let's create a branch. Let's branch your branch. This is what we do. This is the way to do things. You don't just want to be doing things nilly-willy. Okay, so and then the plugin or the issue that we wrote down was, did we close it down? Oh man, okay. GitHub. What is this? Now you can drag and drop files into your repositories. What? Not that I'll ever do this. Add Twitch icon. There we go. I should probably tweet about this. Okay, so now that we created our branch, let's just add our resources here. So Twitch icon, source main, plugin icons, glitch. Actually, everything here. And let's do the same. We're gonna do a commit. So just see. Add unedited. Okay, we're good to go there. So we're gonna call it. I'm gonna lower the brightness a little bit so it's too bright. Well, not here, but when I go to my browser, it's super white, so I need to make it dimmer. I use Flux, but not because of its ability to make the screen like reddish, but because you can just lower the brightness with your keyboard. I don't know how it does it, but it works really well. It's software-based brightness reduction, not hardware. It doesn't tap into my monitors at all. I wish I could. I have to type in all the things in there. It's not ideal. It's kind of pain in the ass. you have to switch back and forth, but oh, dude, one of the people that I know is working on Microsoft now. That's awesome. Alright, anyway, let's continue. So, delete this one, so let's close it. Shift escape closes windows. Let's see, we don't need you. Okay, so let's try to see. Can I close this? You can. Cool. Alright, so we want to do this public interface, but I don't think you have interfaces, or I don't know what the equivalent of an interface is in Kotlin. Let's put this here. Kotlin interface. I'll just write the word interface, okay? Interface. Switch chat icons, and then you say icon, and then we say glitch, right? Oh wait, whoa. What's all this stuff here? Demo action. Oh, we say chat tool window. No, we don't have to do that. Do they have constants in Kotlin? I guess a val is a constant, right? Yep. So icon loader. Get icon. So what is the documentation for this? Why can't I find any of the docs? I swear they probably have some. But there's nothing. Like, there are not even Java docs. This makes it so hard. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. You know what? Because I still like JetBrains. So let's say that I am going to assume that it's going to find it in... I don't need to put anything, so I just put glitch icon.png. And why is it red? Property initializers are not allowed in interfaces. But it says here interface. Properties and interface. So I guess I can do this. Oh, this is not gonna work out. Not at all. This is not the same thing, but you know what? Let's try it. It's an icon. What kind of icon is it? What do you return? Return Java Swing icon, so I guess the same thing. Import that bad boy. Let's get this, and let's do that. Let's say get. Right? Oh, just that. So we can say, we can spare all this verbiage. I almost guarantee this is not gonna work. But this is why we're here. We're learning together because I don't write. Maybe we can ask in the Kotlin slangs, like IntelliJ Plugin. Somebody has asked about icons, right? Is that really small icon. Sample to create image icon from icons. Include files. No, there's nothing. I'm tired. Oh god. Okay. Alright. Oh shit. I wish you could have music. But this rain is very supposed to keep us all in zen. I don't know if I like the new logo, but it's here to stay. It's here to stay. Okay, so let's open this plugins.xml file. Plugins, and then let's open. Whoa. That is not what I wanted to open. Oh, plugin.xml, okay. Let's do a split. Let's see what we have here. This is almost guaranteed to not work. Okay, but the thing that says the demo action, tool window. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do the new line thing. I like it. So let's have the action, anchor, factory class, and then I can write icon and say Twitch. Oh no, I wrote twit. I wrote twit. Twitch. It's not even close. Oh, this is almost guaranteed to not work. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, if I find a class or an interface, I can just say class. So, okay, we already started running it, so might as well. Let's keep going. What's running out of freaking RAM? Dude, chill. Like, how in the world am I running out of RAM? Seriously. No! Chrome, stop working. Because I have too much stuff running in the background. Look, oh dude, Slack is using, it's opening a lot of. Alright, skill Slack, skill that guy. That's it. No more. Skill that guy too. Skill this guy. I should restart every now and then, you know, that'll make it. I need Chrome. Anyway, that thing open, oh, it crashed. There we go. We're back. We're back. Okay, so let's change it to a class because we don't want this. And we can now call this. Oh my god, this is like the worst coloring theme. When are they gonna fix this? Oh god. It's never used. It is used, you just don't know it. Can I go like add suppress warnings? Yes. Suppress like that. It's not suppressing warnings at all. Okay. Well, now that I have more RAM after doing absolutely nothing, so I still have 8 gigs of RAM left. I mean, I'm using 8 out of 16. Let us try this again. We might get that error that we get all the time, like, oh, it doesn't exist. See this bullshit? Oh my goodness. Oh, icons. Is that the only way you can do that? I don't know if that's the only way you can do it. I swear I've seen a different way. Or maybe it might be a different branch. Let's try opening a source tree. Last time I never opened. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you just put the path of the icon right there on the thing. Let's try that instead. Copy path. Oops. I think at some point I need to change this though, so that it's then this needs to be all forward slashes. Oops, I didn't even copy the right thing. And then we change these, and then we change them into those. But only for selection. In selection, replace all. Okay, we're back. Alright, I think this should work. But if I remember correctly, this will make it into a shitty icon because it'll be huge. But this, now I'm getting the same error again. I don't understand this error. I don't know why I keep getting this. Is that compile order wrong? So I'm gonna run it again, see what happens. This is going to annoy me really, really bad, because I can't debug this error. I don't even know how. No, I'm online. I don't know what happened. I must have pressed Control Alt something that changed my my scene. Thanks, buddy. Okay, so now we have the icon there, but so you can see the icon is kind of big. So that's what we need to fix. Shout out to dgonza19 for telling me that my screen was off. That's what happens when you don't monitor your stream, guys. You have to monitor your stream. And no, I don't think I've been streaming like that for an hour. It's more like 5 minutes maybe at the most. I don't know. But it could have been more. You never know, man. You never know with me. Keep it on the side. But I am online, not offline. Guess you could hear me if I would have been offline, right? So, yeah. Anyway, so we got that. Well, I guess we don't need this Twitch. No, so I'll figure this out later off the stream because I don't want to deal with it right now, and I just want to get the icon. So you can. The documentation says so you have to use the class loader. No, not this one here. But it says you have to use a class icon loader to do it. You can use it as a constant and dump it into here. But that didn't work out for me, so you can alternatively just put the path, but you have to put your icons in resources and then give it the full path, kind of like you would do with Java, loading something from your resources. So there's that. So now we need to fix it so that it's 13 by 13. And let's edit the let's kill this running process. Let's edit the build.gradle. And let's not build Java, because I think that might be ruining everything. So don't build Java. Because you don't need that. At least I don't need it. Oh, I get an error now. I guess I still need to build Java? I have no idea. Oh, this is new. I think I might need to add this in there too. Just cause I need the runtime. Okay, let's do it. do it at the runtime. This is new as well. org.jetbrains.IntelliJ. Oh no, that's fine. It's right there. And what do I need idea for? Oh, for the. But this is not working anyway, so I don't know how is that helping me. Okay, so let's say that we did that. At runtime. Okay. Resources. Yeah. Okay. Let's run it again. I hope it rains here for reals. Oh, bullshit. I get this thing again. That's bullshit. I don't even know what's wrong with it. Is there a way to debug this? Oh, this is wrong. That's why it doesn't work. Cannot resolve class is right there. Oh. Wait, no, this is not wrong. What bullshit? It's right there. What are you talking about? It's totally a freaking... Oh god. Oh boy. All modules containing single module. Yeah, all modules. Can you please work now? Oh, this is bullshit. I don't even know how to fix this. I told it to use. It all started when I added the runtime to the Gradle thing. I guess if I remove it, it's okay. If I add this runtime, it's all good. You also have to understand that I'm using the EAP version of the IDE, so that's gonna be another can of worms. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add the runtime back in again. I'm going to invalidate caches and restart. Yes, I understand that the local history will be cleared. What are all these people doing with their plugins? I want to see. I want to see your build.gradle. They don't have one. That's cheating. Dude, I'm not using Maven. It's not that the sources are not there, it's that the runtime, because the IDE itself needs the Kotlin runtime for it to understand what to do. Alright, so they're using yeah, I don't think there's a download Maven sources in Gradle, unfortunately. I tried to do that one time. They said it doesn't exist. Oh, what the hell? Come on, LeanPub, please be using Gradle. Yes. Yes, LeanPub. Alright. Seems like you got it. You got something going on here. Oh, but we're still in beta. Oh, man. Configure Kotlin as Java. Yep. Let's do all the modules. Okay. What's this error? Fucking hate EAP versions because everything breaks. Kotlin library should exist when adding sources root. Kotlin library should exist when adding sources root. Oh boy. Alright. Is everything broken still? Alright, let's try to run this again. So the fix apparently was to not do a rebuild, but to do invalidate caches. I think that's what it did. EAP versions, man. EAP is gonna kill you if you're not careful. And apparently it still thinks I'm on Windows 8, but let's see. As long as I can find the class. Alright. Still working. Still fucked up, but it's working. So let's see. So now we probably need to go in there and start mucking with it. Let's muck with these. Where is it? Show and Explorer. Danny, have you switched to IntelliJ at work, or are you still using Eclipse? I don't even know if you're still watching. But if you're watching, are you still using Eclipse? I mean, Eclipse is nice, I guess. I don't know. I haven't used it in a long time. I used to be really good at it, like remember all the shortcuts and stuff. But now I don't use it, so I don't know. Oh crap. What happened? Oh boy. Oh shit. Did I press F11? There we go. So use Eclipse? When are you gonna do the switch, man? It's Maven is so much nicer in IntelliJ. And it's free, you don't have to pay for it. The community edition. Oh yeah. The only benefit of Eclipse, I believe. Oh, I see. Yeah, one of the benefits of using Eclipse is that. Let me think. Yeah, I don't know what's the new benefit, man. Just bite the bullet, switch over, no big deal. If you have Maven, it'll make it super easy. Like, and I know you use Maven, so it'll be easy to set up. So let's do this thing here and open with guess there is no open with. Send to? Nope. Oops. Yeah, and I, like as promised, there's gonna be some gimpiness going on here. I don't know how to use GIMP, but this is like I'm not very good at it, but this is the best it's gonna get. Let's dump these bad boys in there. And I believe these are two different projects, so I might end up. Can I toss them like that? Yeah. Oops. Cancel. Yep. That way we have our both of our layers in the same place. Let's say, oops. Let's say glitch icon. Oh, it's really small. I can't expect you to see it. I can't even see it. Hey, am I allowed to change the options on the fonts of stuff? Preferences. Theme. No. It's a small theme. Properties. Oh shit. I'm not seeing anything. All I need to do is see if I can change the font of stuff. Appearance. Toolbox. I don't see anything. Whatever, fuck it. We don't need it. We're gonna be quick here. We're gonna try to be quick. So we're gonna change the canvas name. or the canvas size, so that we can hug the little, I wish you could see my hands, but hug the little glitch symbol here. So I'm gonna say glitch white, glitch purple. So we have white and then we have purple, but we need to change the canvas. What tool do I have selected? Oh god, it's the paint all over me tool. We want to change the layer, not the canvas. Image canvas, canvas fit to. Let's do a selection. I think you can do selection. This stuff is so hard. I've seen people do really cool stuff with Photoshop, but I can't even. Okay, now we can do image, canvas size, canvas fits selection. There we go. Look at how pro I am. Oh man, so good. Look at this. Alright. Let's save this because I'm gonna keep fucking things up. And then say glitch icon. And this one we can source control, right? We can source control the fuck out of this file. I'm gonna do it because I don't care. Assets. Oh, no. Actually, get reset. Head source main. Oh, what? Doesn't expand it for me? So shitty. Plugin. Icons. Okay. So let's add assets. And it's gonna add too much, but we're gonna do get reset. Assets. Whoa. Assets, come on, and anything that ends with PNG. Okay, so we're good, and then we add GIMP project containing original Twitch. Okay. So we're good. We're good here. So now we do, I think it's Control-Shift-A to select nothing, right? Nope, that's not it. Select none. Select none. Shift Control. Yeah, that's what I did. Okay, I guess doesn't care about what I care about. Okay. Let's do this. Now we need to do two things. It's actually going to be interesting because we can't do it on the same canvas, or maybe we can do selection. We're going to need, oh boy, what the fuck happened? My mouse got caught onto something. Ugh. Okay. Mouse issues. Okay, so we need to have a 13 by 13 and a 26 by 26. So here, let's do glitch purple. I don't know why I changed back to not purple. So we're gonna duplicate these two. I guess you can. Let's start with the purple. Let's go away white. Yeah, go away white, and then let's duplicate this layer, and then we say glitch purple 13. Alright, so then we can do a selection, right? Let's hide this one and select all. And we can do scale. Where's the thing to scale? Oh boy. Oh, I fucked up because they didn't make this a square. See, I should have made this canvas a square. Okay, let's undo a few times. Oh no. Okay, let's start. We're back here with the beginning. Okay, so let's first name the layers glitch white, glitch purple. Save this. And what I wanted to do initially was create the canvas smaller so that we don't have to deal with stuff around it. But what happened is that I made the canvas not square. So here is the let's position 47 and let's do 47 as well. 47, 47. Whoa. Or 42. 42? No. Oh, come on. No. I wasn't joking when I said I didn't know how to use GIMP. Redo. Oh, it's Control Y, not Control Shift Z. Okay. So we have this buddy here, and we're gonna do this 42, and then size is 271. Is this width or height? Width 271. Height 257 by 257. This is not gonna work out. I don't think this guy's a square. Of course he's not a square, right? The canvas is 350 by 350. And the point here is 42 by 42. So let's move this the cursor, but no, go back inside. Shit. Let's move the position to 42 by 42, right? So now we're at this corner here, and I feel like I can be closer to so this is the x coordinate. So x coordinate is going horizontally, so the y needs to stay the same. So let's do 40. Okay, no, it's going the other way, so let's do 44. 52. Too far. Fuck it, I'll drive it by hand. So 47 to 52. And the size, the width needs to be, they both need to be the same. So 250 is the width. No, it's gonna be 270. 270, 265. $258 by $258. It's 270, so we can add a few. To each side. I just want to make this square. Why can't I make this square? It's too hard. The height 273. Sure, I could do math, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. Seems close enough. No. Okay, fuck it. How do I select the selection again? No, Jesus Christ. Oh God. Fuck me. No. 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 Oh man. There's gotta be an easier way. I think. Let's reduce the canvas. Image. Canvas size. Let's strip. Let's do a bunch of stuff right here. Oh, it shows preview. Sweet. Dude, it's too hard, man. I wish I could do it. Wish I could do it, but I can't. Let's make this 250. Alright. Too far. This needs to be 270 by 270. Oh shit. $270 and they're gonna fly. What about 280? 280. Dude, it's hard, dude. I wish I could make it work. Alright. Yeah, I know, right? Maybe it's a few pixels. Nobody's gonna notice. I'm gonna notice. I'm gonna notice, and then I'm gonna cry. But anyway, this will work. It's okay. Oh shit! What the fuck is this? Alright. We don't want wood. I know you, Danny, might, but I don't. So let's continue. Let's proceed. Okay, so now we again change this name to purple for like the 50th time. Let's lock these layers. Locked. Nobody can touch them. And let's duplicate this one, and let's say you are not locked and you are no longer visible, and neither are you. Glitch, and this is going to be 13. So we are going to change this entire thing. Oh fuck, my foot got stuck in cable. It's not rocket surgery. This guy, he doesn't even know. Okay, so now let's do the scaling thing. Whoa, 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 calm down. Now we can do lock the thing, and then we can do 13. Right? That'll be okay. So, and then we do a flatten down, right? Because that's what we do. Flatten down. It's gonna... there's no flatten. can't select it. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's so hard. Start at 0, 0, 0, 0, and make a selection that's 13 by 13. Alright. Why did you not do it like what I say? 0, 0, 13 by 13, and then we do. Can we do export of selection? Export as. Oh boy. Okay, can I ask Google? Google, tell me how to do this. GIMP export selection. Ah, there's a plugin. Seriously? So the answer is Control C, Control Shift V. That's not a good solution, but I'll take it. This is like by far the shittiest thing I've ever done today. Okay. Edit. Copy. Control Shift V. It did not copy it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Discard changes. Oh. All right, that seemed to work. Okay, cool. This is ridiculous. Okay. All right, no big deal. We got this. We're almost there. So then we export this as PNG, and we want to export this over to. Let's just to. Source, main, resources, all the way down here as glitch icon. Export, replace it. Do it. Discard changes. All right, and then we want to do. Oh shit, we need the 16 by 16. Okay. So then you go away. And then you get duplicated too. And then you don't get protection. But I get to look at you. And then it's 26, right? Again, we take this scaling tool. Click here. Wait, no. No. Don't select anything. Oh shit. Fine, select Control A. Why is it selecting the what's going on here? What's going on? What is this other selection crap that's around it? Select, invert. Select all. Select by color. Is the canvas for each one of them different? Okay. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 280 by 280. Bam. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna change this to 26 by 26, and then we're gonna do a scale. I don't know why these are visible. And then we're gonna take this tool here. We're kind of do a half-assed job at selecting things. Again, position 0, 0, and then we do it's gonna be 26 by 26, and then we say edit, copy visible, Control Shift V to make a new one, Control E to export, and then again we select, go source, main, resources, and just all the way down. And then the documentation said to use what title for this? Not Kotlin. Oh boy. Oh, there he is. Set to use 2x. At 2x? Oh, okay. This is gonna take only like forever to do. No big deal. This is for all those Retina people. And I'm only doing this because I feel the pain. You know, in Windows we don't have Retina, or now there is. But when I was using Windows 8 and I had a Surface Pro 3, the resolution was insane, but everything looked like shit because it was low resolution. So there you go. You get high-res icons. From me to you. Feel the love. Feel it, damn it. Okay, so now let's continue. Repeat the process for the white icon. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Ooh. What's gonna happen to this once I let it go? Can I tell it to flatten? Oh, okay. There it is. There it is. Lock these two bad boys. Let's do it again for this guy. Duplicate layer. You don't get to be locked. Glitch white. 13. Again, the selection crap. So I wish I could do it scale. What is this selecting? Okay, and let's do a scale. 13 by, oh god, what did I click? 13 by 13. Scale that bad boy. Hide this guy. Selection again. 0, 0, 0. If I did fixed aspect ratio, if I did 13, does that do both? Oh shit, it doesn't do both. Okay, doesn't do anything. Then we do Control Shift C, Control Shift V. No! Damn it. Discard changes. This selection thing is not doing a very good job. Was that a bug or was that something that was supposed to happen? 13 by 13. There we go. Control Shift C, Control Shift V. There we go. Control E. Oh, I'm so good at this. What I'm not so good at is clicking. No, not there. Oh no, I went the wrong tree. Damn it. Resources. Oh no. Icon dark. And watch this, it's gonna look like shit. I should probably test before I make the next icon, the 2x, because it's not gonna make a difference to me. So let's go test right now. Let's do it. So we made the icons. Let's close this guy. This guy is not useful to me. Discard. But let's save this guy. It's not rocket surgery. Have you not seen me try this over and over and fail? That could just be my own shortcomings, but no. Why does this keep happening? Like saying can't find the class. Like the class is there. Let's run it again. Just gonna keep brute forcing it until it works. I need to figure what's going on. I really hope they release a version that works. See, it's like freaking Russian roulette here. You don't ever know when it's gonna work. Alright, so it worked this time. You see the little icon right there? Look at the icon. You guys, you can't see it though. Oh man, so sad because it's very satisfying. Magnifying. Yeah, there we go. Oh shit, there we go. I don't know if this is even working. Oh shit, I hate this thing. Let's do area view. Lens. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, looks so cute. So cute. Alright. Then it does what it's supposed to do. And now let's not do... I guess let's continue using the magnifying, right? Because why not? So if we did the Control S for appearance, it's a Darkula, and we did apply. When I had my eye surgery, I was using this, and there you go, the white icon. Yeah, sweet. It's a little bit off because actually no, it's fine. This one's a little bit off too, but who cares? It's there. It works, but this one's a little better aligned. This one they tried a lot harder because you can. It's centered, but that's as hard as I'm gonna try. So I can't gimp. Sweet. And then take off the magnifier. Let's take it off. Let's make it use a light theme again. Cool. All right. Let's make the other icon. Okay, and same process. Select all of it. Control, click here. Do 26. Scale it. We do a select. Then we do kind of like half-ass selection here. Nope, we don't move anything. We select it. Oh shit. Like a half-ass selection right here. Can I make it so it doesn't go off the wall? Whatever. Selection. And then we say 0, 0, 26, 26. Enter, Control Shift C, Control Shift V, and then we Control E. Oh, so good. Then we drop it into the assets again. So source, main, resources, all the way down. Then we do dark, and then we do at 2x. Bam! Beautiful. Okay. Now we're done with that. We can save. We can close GIMP. We're done with that nightmare. Let's do, let me save the add layers that contain uh, 13 by 13 and 26. Come on, by 26 icons. Okay. Then we add everything. Source. There's something else that doesn't need to be in source control. So yeah, let's delete that for now. Let's delete this. Now you can have this. Okay, cool. Okay. Add Twitch for light and dark themes. Sweet. And at some point later on in my life, I will figure out what this class does, because I probably want to use that instead of what I'm doing now, instead of putting the path in, because that I want to not touch the plugin.xml file as often, because I don't like it. Because I actually don't know what I'm doing half of the time that I'm touching that XML file. But when I did it, it didn't find the class. But let's open Slack, and I'm gonna post a question, and I don't know if that's gonna be a problem. Like, I wouldn't know what exactly to ask for or what people are expecting me to ask, but I it's more along the lines as I run hey all guys. It's only talking about guys, so I have to be PC and say hey all, because that includes everybody, not just guys. I don't know, I don't make the rules. This is how it is now. All right, let's follow the rules. However, when I run it again, after closing the yeah, P16, what did I say about preview? Something? Yeah, P16 preview. Is that what it's called? Preview. And my code can be found here. It's merged branch so it's there, up to date. Git status. Actually, I'm probably gonna delete these two files because I don't need them anymore. I already have them saved in the XCF. Hopefully. Hope it doesn't need external files, because if it does, I'm screwed. Nope. Let's do it. How big is this file? Oh, it's actually not that big. 37K. Alright, so yeah, so we can go master, git merge. No. I do this a lot, so I probably should do the merge. Default behavior be no fast forward, because I almost never want to do a fast forward merge. Or if I do, I should probably say ff, because that's more the case than not. And what was the issue called? Add Twitch icon, basically. So it's a add Twitch icons for light and dark themes. This merge closes number 3. The cool thing about Git is that it understands these number things, and then you can say that. So when you do a push, be like, what up, bro? And then this thing's gonna close automatically. Be like, what up, close, bam, done, sweet. So good. I almost feel pro. So there we go. We did what we wanted to do. We're almost there. 3 more issues. No, actually 2 more issues until the milestone is reached. Add logging and do TeamCity integration. So I'll probably want to do logging first, because TeamCity integration is not going to be that useful if there are no logs. Okay, let's post this question and see what happens. I don't know, maybe people are like, you're not allowed to do that, you're not allowed to post your repos here, we're not a help desk. But I don't know, I tried. I don't know what's wrong. Honestly, I don't know what's wrong. If anybody can tell me what's wrong, I'll give them a hug. Personally, we'll give them a hug, because it happens a lot. Alright. If you don't believe it, let's run this again. Run idea. I also made it clean so that it forces it to build the classes, so it's not about something about lazy loading. It's like, can't find it. Right there. See, it happened. I'm pretty sure. Look right there. Oh, see, class not found exception. And then I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna run this again. And all of a sudden, it works again. That's bullshit. This is bullshit. This is inconsistent behavior that I do not know how to debug. Like, so it could be one of two things. I don't understand how Gradle works. I don't understand how Gradle works, or I don't know. Some IntelliJ is fucking with me. It's not an IntelliJ problem. It's gotta be with Gradle. Gradle is building things in the wrong order in a way that it causes the plugin loader to not load my stuff in correctly. I don't know. Hopefully somebody will answer my question here, and if you guys know the answer, or if you guys do this a lot, maybe this is a question for. This is kind of like a. Oh, how do you even say it? Like a. It could be my system too. I don't know. Just curious if it happens to anybody else. So let's see here. We've been streaming for about an hour and a half. I think I can get started in the logging, right? And then Danny and I will play the following, maybe, if he wants to play. Sometimes he's working or watching movies. I don't know what he does with his life. Because he's a busy man. Or kid. Kid is a more accurate description. Kid with a lot of money and a job. But we all love him. Unfortunately. What does KB stand for? That's not my code though. Anyway, so for logging, we're going to use SLF4J. And the reason I decided to choose that logging framework, or whatever you call this, I'll leave this here until somebody talks to me. Whoa, it's too much white. I really want to try this Covenant library. It looks so good. So good. It abstracts away a bunch of stuff that you need to do, and it's what I'm gonna do. In fact, let's make it an issue before I forget. So C for create, replace shitty, crappy callback system with Covenant with promises. Let's see. Covenant, let's close that. I swear, like, I feel like I already did this. I think I already did. No, I did not do this. Hey, I did a poop. No, okay, cool. I must have dreamt it then. Called Covenant. The cool thing about this promises library is that it has a plugin for doing UI promises. So if you want to, because promises are executed in a different thread, right? But the problem when you're doing UI, you don't want to just execute whatever the fuck you want. You want to execute on the drawing thread. So they have a success or promise on UI closure right here, and it does stuff. And so you do something that you're gonna do on the UI, and then you do some work, whatever the hell you're gonna do, on a different thread, right? And then it comes back, and whenever it finishes doing whatever it's gonna do, and you get the result, you draw it, you do the thing you're gonna do, like let's say change the title or like draw something on the UI thread, which makes it clean. That way you don't have, because you're not allowed to in Java to touch the UI from outside of the EDT, and you learn that the hard way, and then you cry yourself to sleep. Yep, I know, I've been there. Sad stories. But anyway, that's the reason why I want to use this, because I do UI stuff and I do callbacks, and I want it all. I want everything, and this is going to be great. This is going to be great. But for now, let's continue on. We don't need any of these plugins because none of them help me. I didn't know there was a leanpub plugin. I guess it helps you write books. So you have a leanpub. But I might look at their code because oh, they have an images folder? What is this for? Oh, okay, just for the documentation. Source main. Yeah, I'll probably need to look at their examples on how to do it. Let me see what their documentation looks like. Oh, it's only actions. Okay. I need something that I can look for a tool window. Anyway, let's carry on. Oh, and this thing looked pretty cool too, the LMAX disruptor. Some lightweight, super fast thread thing that I've never heard of in my life. Probably will watch one of these talks. Disruptor presentation at QCon. How to do 100k TPS in less than 1 millisecond. I don't even know what. I have no idea what any of that means. But I'll watch it anyway. SLF4J. Is there a kotlin thing for SLF4J? No, of course not. Here they are bragging of all the projects that are using it, but all we want to do is download it. So the way SLF4J works is you have a common API. So you add SLF4J into your project, right? And it allows you to have an API for calling the logger. And then there's another dependency that you add that is specific to which logging backend you want to use. For example, logback, Java util logging, log4j, or any of the ones they support. And those are the ones that are actually doing the logging, but there's the SLF4J interface routes the things correctly. So you don't need to care about which one you're using. If you're changing projects around, you just apply this thing, and they say your PO wants to use, I don't know, log4j, or he wants to use Java util logging because he hates log4j or anything. So you don't care because the API is the same. And then they have something else that if you're depending on another project that uses something, another logging utility, it like takes all those logs and like pumps them into your thing, so you get those logs as well. So that's why I want it. But user manual, okay. Oh, they also have a no op in case you're like, in case a project uses SLF4J and it's telling you, hey, you should add a logger, and you're like, nope, I don't give a shit. Like, you include this thing, and it's gonna be like, okay, I'll be quiet now. But I'm probably gonna use the JDK Java util logging, mostly because I don't have an opinion of which one to use. I guess it's a simple. Yeah, I might. Okay, never mind. I switched my mind. I switched my mind right now. I want to use the simple logger. They have a nice diagram here showing you how it works. No, I think I want to use the Java util logging because the other library uses Java util logging. Forget the name of the tool that I needed. Not the migrator, it's binding. No, bridging. Log4j bridge. This is exactly what I want. Oh, this is such bullcrap. I don't want. What is this level change propagator? Oh god. So we might take a penalty, but you know what? We're gonna do it anyway. Okay. I'm not sure where I need to add these logging stuff. So compile, I guess. I forgot the name. Org self4j self4j API. So I need the API and then I need the specific one, right? So yeah, let's do 179. Come on. 712, what happened to 9? Guess doesn't matter. Don't matter. Oh, 17? It's all the way to 17 now? Yeah, 17. This is 17. That's what I want. Okay, and then I need the back end, right? So for J, I actually don't know what to. It's JDK 14, is that what they call it? JDK 14. There we go. JDK 14. Oh, 1.4. Sorry, not 14. And then I need the converter or the binder bridge, whatever thing is called. SLF for J. Is JCL or J use Java Common Logging? No. JUL? This website kind of sucks. It says JUL here. Bridge. SLF4J. JUL bridge. I need the dependency for that. Maybe. DL to SLF for J. 1717 because yeah, and I think we also need the 1717 here. None of that. SLF4J API log4j simple. Yep, let's do this here. Oh, it's only 1717 16, sorry. This is, wait, what? Well, let's do 17 and find out regardless. So then let's just run a compile. Compile Kotlin. Let's do it. And for this, I want to use the testing class that I created previously. Ooh. Oh man, it's gonna start fucking up again. Why? Oh, these don't exist? So maybe 17 is not ready. Maybe it's only 16. Okay, fine. Oops. Let's try that. Okay, so 16 exists. All is still good. I believe we can run this and still have it work. I don't remember how much of this. Like how much of this works, because I changed the API quite a few times. So right now it should be connected by default to Mrs. Violence, right? Did it connect? So I made the client, have the handler, this connect handler. This is not how you want to do it anyway. But we did a connect. But I don't think she's streaming right now. So let's go to Dasmedi. I know he's streaming for sure. For sure. Maybe he's not streaming. Oh, Giant Waffle is. Oh, he's playing American Truck Simulator. Nice. Oh, there he is. Cool. Well, then we can change to Giant Waffle. Yeah, all this thing is out of order. I need to change this correctly. But I just wanted to add the logging library and see how that's gonna pan out. And I don't know if I should be... Oh, shit. Like, I don't know what the correct thing to do is for this. I probably want the API here, but only do the actual logging in test compile, right? Because I want to use the API in the code, but I don't want whoever depends on me to have to use SLF4J. I think that's the way you do it, or you make it non-transitive. I don't know. I'm gonna spin on it for a little bit before I realize what I need to do. Okay. So just to test it out, you can do something like SLF4J remove handlers root logger. Shit. Let's see. SLF remove. Okay, and then if you want to add it to your thing, so should be done once during the initialization phase of your application. So then you do SLF4J bridge handler, bam, install. All right, and then let's add some of the logging stuff to our application into the client. And I need to write better tests. Like I wrote a shitty test because I didn't know what was happening, but now that I know what's going on, I need to write better tests. So let's do, I have a few print lines here, so let's do, instead of saying print line here, we say, I actually don't know what to say because I don't know what the API is for the logger. This is a user manual. So then we create a logger. Let's see if we can do this here. Let's close this. Let's close this as well. so this API has a logger. Val private val logger factory. Oh, dude, IntelliJ has a logger? Okay, I don't know what they have. We're not using their logger. We're using We're not using that logger either. Logger factory. This one, get logger, and this dot class, get class, Java class. I think that's how it works. And now we can start doing stuff. So we say logger info. We have a string. And why this string is so tiny, I don't know. Did I say console? Where's the shit? Console font. We want it to be just as big as the other one, so 20. There we go. So now we're gonna start seeing different. So let's run this again. Whoa boy. Class path contains multiple SLF4J bindings. Oh. So I didn't know that. Okay, so I guess IntelliJ comes with one. So if let's remove this this binding. Okay. Let's try it again. Found binding. Seriously? Oh shit. Oh shit. But I'm not using the other bindings. So open this page on multiple bindings. They're using SLF4J log4j12. So this one maybe? Okay, let's try it again. Now also need a configuration. Whoa. Oh, somebody responded to my question. Yeah. Okay, and this say no appenders could be found. Didn't read this correctly. No appenders found for logger. This occurs. Alright, so I need to add an appender to this thing. Okay, so but this is where I'm gonna end the stream. I will be back streaming, but not code anymore. I will be streaming the following with Danny. If my computer can handle it. If not, I'll probably will not stream. Basically. So let's see here, and this is So we'll add this later. And just as a note here, because I started this thing, logging. Let's create a pull request. No, it's too much overhead. Let's do it here. I forget what it's called. Oh, is he watching the stream? Oh, dude, that's interesting. Oh, that's weird. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Let's see what he said. Usually we're running the Gradle task from run tool. See what he has to say. Fuck, can't type. Cool, that's awesome. The community is great. They help out pretty quickly. So I'll try this. Probably do it off the stream because I don't. There's a lot of debugging and I don't want to be doing this. But yes, he was right. It's already a binding and I don't need to do it anymore. I just need to include the API so that I can start using the logging. That's what I was gonna do here. Noted in my issues so that I remember what I was doing. Comment. Cool. All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I will continue on to adding logging to the library on the next stream, which probably will be Monday. I don't do a lot of. I want to do streamings in the weekends, but it usually doesn't happen. So let's stick to my Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule that I just created right now because I haven't. It's not pretty official. We'll continue with the logging. Just continue down, taking those tasks down, and I will get this stack trace for our buddy here, Briandon. I hope I'm saying his name right. Her, his. I don't know who, what. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know the pronoun. That's what I'm trying to get to. So thank you, and I will see you guys in a few after I get the following downloaded and ready to go. So thanks for watching.